Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be making this rhubarb crisp. This is actually my mom's original recipe. This is just my keto version of it. This is super well loved in our family. Everyone just goes crazy for it. We wait every year for the rhubarb to get ripe so we can make it. And you might find that this recipe is a little bit different than your normal rhubarb crisp. It has a bit of a creamier filling, which I think is why everyone loves it so much. And then we always serve it with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. And yeah, anyways, please give this video a like if you guys enjoy it. It really helps out my channel. And let's just get into the recipe.